Okay, welcome back to Journey of the Gods. I'm gonna be going on to the second one. Let's do this. Ooh, jungle and a shield. Cool. This is nice. A big old jungle. See what's up on in here. Oh, it's one of those duck pig things. There's a checkpoint. Guess I already got that. Okay. Where is that? Oh, it's been a while since I played. I can't remember the controls. I'm too used to Orbis. Orbis VR. It's a good game. I'm too used to that. Okay. Oh, that's not good. Fight me, you stupid. That's not good. Bam! And my shield's broke. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Bad slug things. Bam. Boom. Okay, I guess I only took one hit. Tree blocking the way. Shrink down, tree. Bonk. Oh yeah. Ooh, a shield. This game's about exploration. You must explore. Stupid. It's about exploration. You gotta explore, find things. That was useless. See, look, there's a sword piece right here. Okay, I wouldn't have found this if I didn't explore the swampy area. You gotta keep your hands up. You don't want to get your sleeves in that. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty cool. Actually, sounds like going through that and such. Okay. Weird floating block thing. Okay, on to the next area. Oh, okay. Ooh, nice. Oh, yes, I need that. That's good. Yes, excellent. Going on through here. What's with my relief at? Yeah, I could use some relief. Bam! Get back. Suck. I need to turn the stone giant. Oh yeah, you're screwed now. Bow! Boom! Bam! Dead. Boom! Come here, stupid. No, 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 get over here. No, you must, oh. Leave me away, I don't have to worry about them anymore. Big strong man. Bam! Boom! Palabra! Okay. Ooh, crossbow. Nice. Going up here. Block. Oh crap. Actually, wait, no, I can. Yeah, I know. I'm not dumb. Oh yeah. Boom. Oh yeah. Sick. So cool. What the hell was that? Look at those pig squeals. What the hell? Okay, I guess it's probably nothing. bad. I hate my fan. And that's a no bueno. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is sick. This is like the coolest team. Oh no, I missed the thing. Crap. Oh crap. This is so cool. It just shows the magic of VR. How incredible it is and what you can do. I'm literally flying on a stone bird right now with slug things shooting at me. VR is just incredible. Screw you. Oh crap. Let me off. I'm gonna die. Good. Oh, it's a close one. Almost died there. Going through a cave. Going through a cave. I'm going through a cave and oh, whoa, this looks complicated. You know what they say? You just gotta go through it. So what am I? You just gotta go on true with your lightning sword and such. Just gotta go on through. Checkpoint. Oh, that is not. Get wrecked. You suck. Get wrecked. Noob. The squeaker! Oh, get told, kid, give me that! You just got wrecked by a freaking kid, bro! You just got told! Oh no, this is a big decision. Heeny meeny this way. Try me. What's over here? You stupid. Oh, another one of these? Come on. I hate these. Yeah, I got him. No, bully! Bully! You're bullying me. I don't have. Oh, now I have my shield. What have you been all night, huh? You come home at 2 o'clock in the morning? Are you goddamn right? And what the hell is that thing? What is that? What in Get over here. Get over here. I got that. Whatever that was, I got it. Okay. Oh, no. Shoot. Well. Crap, I died. Butterfly. I keep on going up. Find my way up somewhere. I have no clue what's going on. No, this way. Ooh, a shield. Good. You suck. Okay, I got full belief. I believe in leaf. I don't feel like. Oh, come on. You suck. You can't get me. I have a shield. Oh, another stone bird. Stone bird. Stone bird. Yeah, stone bird. Oh yeah. Bye bye, stupid. I'm off. Oh yeah. Now this is tubular. It's totally tubular, bro. Stupid nerds over there. You can't fly and I can. Oh, stupid stupids. Flat, my stone helper. We will go forth and defeat shenanigans. What was that? Get my crossbow ready. Ready to pwn some news. That was the whole ride? That was kind of dumb. No, this does not look good. Everything is like a blackish purplish. Aw, my stone bird friend died. What? Bam. Oh, I missed it. You want a mission? What? Yeah, blah, blah. Ooh, there's this giant stone golem thing. Yeah. Okay. It's probably booby trapped. It's probably monsters everywhere around here. I hate being right. I'm hearing bad stuff. Fight me! Oh yeah. Peace out. Oh, come on. Okay, stone golem time. Come on. Hey! Hey, 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 hey! Oh yeah, I'm big strongman now. Come on at me! No. Bam! Boom! Oh, there's a crossbow thing up there. I gotta go get that. How do I get up there? Just oh, might as well get this while I'm at it. Bam! Crap. I need to go and get up here. I need to get the crossbow. Oh crap. Oh, there's that one. Let me get, come on, how do I get, oh, okay, we're here. I'm getting that crossbow piece. Yeah, full belief. Crossbow, thank you. Okay. Beam! Beam! Oh yeah, 1v1 me. Boom! Oh crap! My giant stone golem hands cannot reach that far. Even stone golems have the. Can't go up there. Oh my gosh! Oh yes, there's so many of those things. Okay, let's get that. Oh yeah, nice. Oh wait, what the? Oh wait, no. Yeah. That's every. Oh wait. Bam! Oh yeah, I did it. Hammer. Oh yeah. Nice. Hello, Featherless. I take it you must be the chosen one. And I have something for you. Gimme. Ooh, feather. I got another one. On my collection of woe. This you can slow the world around you. Use it to travel home. Ooh. Now hurry along. The world's not going to save itself. Go through. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm back. And there's lots of upgrades to get. Oh, yeah. It's going to be like Mr. Krabs up in here. But, do that next time. Yeah. Oh, wait. Let me just do this little thing real quick. Get Mr. Owl. Wake up! What I thought. Okay, we're going to that one next time and get these upgrades. It'll be nice. Yeah.